What's happening, everybody out here coming at you from sunny Southwest Florida? That's right, guys. It's mid-January. It's about 70 degrees out here. You can see, got flowers and stuff out there. Nice cool breezes, you know, blowing through the trees and stuff. It's really nice down here this time of year, I gotta tell you. But, you know, I'm just gonna throw out this little video here today because on the channel, a lot of people have been asking me, what does my car sound like on a cold start? There's been a lot of talk around YouTube that the 2018 Mustangs, when they got the piston slap on a cold start, you hear it for a while. And then as it warms up, it starts to, you know, the piston slap starts to go away. So I got the car here, right? Hood's open. And the car's ice cold. Here, I'll show you. You can see that? 65 degrees. You know, if I just shoot it at the car, you know, it's also 65 degrees. So it's ice cold, and I haven't started it yet this morning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the hood, and then I'm going to get the remote start and start the car up for you. All right, let me just put the phone down right there. Okay. All right, check it out. Hear that? Smooth as silk. All right, let's listen. Let's get up close. You know, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. And I got to tell you, some people have posted on the channel saying that, yeah, you know, your car is a car that wouldn't be ticking. You know, the friction reducer is a bunch of nonsense. Well, I got to tell you, this Power Up NNL 690, this is actually what's making this car sound like this. Now, at 2,700 miles, I changed the oil, I put the 5W20 in the car, and I brought it back here, and it sounded terrible. I mean, it wasn't ticking, but the way that thing sounded, I could have brought it back to the dealer right there. It sounded a little bit more like the guy for PH Motoring. You know, all that clattering noise. It wasn't quite that loud, but it sounded terrible. So, you know, I put the friction reducer in it, and it's been running smooth as silk ever since then. So, you know, I mean, it's just one of those things. It's precautionary. I decided to put it in there, and it's working for me. Listen to this thing. I couldn't be happier. All right, guys, there's one other thing that I'd like to say about this car. This car is equipped with the Whipple Stage 1 kit. The Stage 1 makes about 750 horsepower to the crank and comes with C.A.R.B certification, California Air Resource Board certification for use in California on public highways. You know, so for you guys out in California that are having problems with the laws out there, you could very easily run this kit, you know, and not violate any laws. And this car is equipped with stock exhaust, so it's nice and quiet, and you shouldn't get into any trouble that way. So, you know, it's a really great car. I really like it. So let's go take it for a ride. After all of that, this is what it sounds like now. All right, things are looking good. Things keep up like this, we're gonna go with a stage 2 kit pretty soon. All right, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.
Coyote River, and that looks like a good, I would say close to 6-foot alligator in the river. Look at this, guys. I came out here looking for gators in the water, and what do I find? A cow in the water. Oh, look at that, there's 2 of them. I have never seen this. This is the first. It looks like there's even 3. It looks like there's another one back there. Unbelievable.
We all getting on his popular pizza.
Is that actually your pet pig?
Yeah, exactly.
Check this out. This is something that we commonly see down here in Florida. Look at this. This is like some kind of a turtle. We just saw one across the road, and there's one there, and there's one over there. They're just walking along the side of the road, following each other, these guys. Look at him. He's just going about his business. Look at that guy.
Cool. Yeah.